The invisible hand. How artificial intelligence shapes our lives. The rise of the machines. Imagine waking up one morning to discover your alarm clock has a mind of its own. It knows you had a late night and decides to let you sleep for another hour. This is not a scene from a sci-fi movie. It's the power of artificial intelligence, or AI. AI is becoming a significant part of our daily lives, often without us even realizing it. Every day we encounter many forms of AI, from the moment we check our phones to find weather updates to the recommendations of a new series on streaming platforms. AI is everywhere. It learns from our habits, preferences, and even our emotions. But how exactly does this technology influence our reality? AI in daily life. Artificial intelligence is not just a high-tech tool used by experts. It is now mixed into the fabric of our everyday lives. Think of how you do your shopping. Online stores use AI to suggest products you might want, based on your past choices. This makes shopping easier, but also raises questions. How much do these suggestions shape our choices? Additionally, AI chatbots help us on websites when we have questions or need support. These chatbots can answer fast and around the clock. They analyze what we ask and respond almost like a human would. This efficiency has changed how businesses communicate with customers. But is this change really better for us? Health and safety. A new era. AI has also transformed the healthcare industry. Doctors now use AI to diagnose diseases faster and with more accuracy. For example, AI can analyze medical images for signs of illness, helping doctors catch problems earlier. Imagine a world where many diseases can be caught before symptoms even appear. However, this brings us to an important question. Is it wise to trust computers with our health? After all, machines do not have feelings or human intuition. As amazing as AI is, it cannot replace the care and understanding a doctor provides. This balance between technology and human touch is essential as we move forward. What might this balance look like? The jobs dilemma. Many people worry that AI will take away jobs. It is true that machines are very efficient at doing repetitive tasks. For example, in factories, robots can assemble products faster than humans. This can lead to fewer manufacturing jobs, scary for many workers. However, this concern presents a hidden truth. AI can create new types of work that we cannot even imagine yet. While some jobs may disappear, new fields in AI technology will also grow. People will need to design, program, and maintain these intelligent systems. Therefore, instead of only worrying about losing jobs, we must think about how to prepare for the new opportunities that AI will bring. A surprising perspective. Here's something surprising. AI may not be the enemy of our jobs, but actually our greatest ally. Studies suggest that AI could help improve job satisfaction. Instead of doing boring, repetitive work, workers can focus on creative and strategic tasks. This shift has the potential to make work more exciting and fulfilling. Wait, really? Yes. When machines take over mundane tasks, employees can invest their energy into projects they care about. This could change the way we view work and inspire innovation in various fields. AI and personal connections. Another important aspect to consider is how AI affects our relationships. Social media platforms use AI algorithms to show us content we like, but sometimes this can create bubbles. We end up seeing the same opinions repeatedly, making it harder to encounter new perspectives. This can lead to misunderstandings and divide communities. Finding a way to break these bubbles is essential. One way is to actively seek out diverse opinions online. Even AI can help us by suggesting varied content if we ask for it. This encourages us to engage with different ideas and fosters a more united society. The future of AI. What lies ahead? As we look to the future, AI will undoubtedly play an even bigger role in our lives. The technology will continue to grow at an incredible pace. We can expect smarter AI that can adapt to our needs more effectively, making our lives easier in countless ways. But we must also engage in conversations about ethics and responsibility. How do we ensure that AI works for everyone? What rules should we set to protect our rights? These emerging questions about AI will shape the way society uses technology. Keeping these concerns in mind is essential as we embark on this innovative journey. We are all part of the change. In conclusion, AI has a profound impact on our lives. From smarter health solutions to enhancing our daily interactions, it offers great potential. However, understanding the balance between technology and humanity is vital as we move forward. Our choices today will shape the AI of tomorrow. As we embrace this new era, we must all take part in conversations about technology's role in society. Being informed allows us to navigate the future responsibly. How do you see AI affecting your life? What challenges or benefits do you imagine it will bring? We would love to hear your thoughts and experiences.